In this tutorial video, we're going to dive into groups and aggregations in Gigasheet. So, what are groups? Well, they're your ticket to swiftly slicing and dicing your data. With groups, you can neatly organize rows or pivot your datasets. It's all about sorting your rows based on a specific categorical column and folding together the ones that match your criteria. Think of it as something like the trusty pivot tables you'd find in Excel, but with a smoother user experience here in Gigasheet. It is super easy to group your data. Just pick the column you want to use for grouping. Click the header and select Group. Within each group, you'll get a count of how many values pop up in your sheet. And if you're feeling fancy, you can take it up a notch with nested groups. Just select another column, hit that group button, and you'll see this new column group nested neatly under your original one. Easy as pie. Now, let's shift our focus to aggregations in Gigasheet. These little gems simplify the task of crunching numbers and calculating summary statistics for a particular column. It's kind of like using a formula in a spreadsheet, but without the need to master any special formula syntax. To display an aggregation of your data, it's so simple. Just click on the drop-down menu and pick the one you fancy. Keep in mind, though, that some of these aggregations are only available for specific data types. Once you've made your selection, voila! It'll populate the entire column like magic. And guess what? You can also ungroup and whip up some aggregations at the bottom of your sheet. Gigasheet's got you covered. That's all there is to it. Grouping and aggregating your data in Gigasheet is simple and slick. If you've got questions or need a hand, feel free to reach out through the support chat or shoot us an email at support@gigasheet.com. Thanks for tuning in.